Good evening everybody, and welcome to technically the first ever shot video on tech side of Norway. The other ones were re-uploads from my other channel, Life Side of Norway, where I go camping and stuff. So if you're into that, check out that channel. I'm into tech. I'm into smart homes, and I'm into Christmas lights and Halloween lights and all the lights basically. So up until now, I've been using these to control my Christmas lights. These are Nex 3500 watt, just programmable, controllable plugs, basically. And I've been using this Telstick 2, I believe, to control them, which worked fine until Teldus decided that, you know what? We don't want to run this company anymore, so we're going to run it into the ground by being cheap. They started charging money to use this with like API. So you use it through Home Assistant and stuff, so you can actually program it properly and control it. And their software is, for a lack of better words, trash. So we're not going to use this anymore. This one is going
in the bin.
And before we go further, let me preface this. This is technically not allowed in Norway, because to deal with mains power in Norway, you need a certification and a sacrifice and acquire to be allowed to do this. And it's also not the best way to do it. I am looking into other ways of doing it for next year. Proper controllers, pixie lights, everything. But today we're going to use one of these, or these as they're called. Basically, there you go. They are Shelly Mini Gen 3 Wi-Fi relays. So we're going to use this. Inside of this, which is an IP65 rated connection box, and I can hear all you electricians out there just gritting your teeth. I know, but relax. I do what I say, not what I do. I'm going to do it properly with strain relief, and we're going to use Vagos to connect things. No twisty thingies here, which is also not illegal, not legal in Norway. And we are going to put them in line of these, which is proper outdoor rated sockets, thick cabling, and proper plugs. Yes, we use this one in Norway. Welcome. So this is okay, but the bit that we're going to do, which is snippy, connecty, that bit I'm technically not allowed to do. So this is for educational purposes only. Do not do this if you are in Norway and don't have your electrician certification on hand. So let's get down to the education bit. And there we have that project finished. Again, the keen-eyed of you probably screamed when you noticed this boy. This is not for outdoors. Don't worry, I have a plan. This goes inside of my shed, which is insulated and heated. So this will be okay. Don't worry. I'm stupid, but I'm not that stupid.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
The rest of the cables are done. Remember, just because you saw me do it doesn't mean it's okay for you to do it. You gotta follow your local regulations, even though I didn't. But it's okay. This is for educational purposes only. And remember, if you like these kinds of stuff, Home Assistant, all that good stuff, please do click the little subscribe thing. It really helps my channel. It helps me. Okay, that's the video for today. Bit of a short one, just prepping for Christmas. And I'll see you guys in the next one.